Where is
So,
Parnavi? Let me
like,
share my screen and I will just teach you a string. It will be
okay.
mostly revision of that because half of them I already taught you in the very beginning, and half which I taught you that day in the list, it will be similar, almost similar actually.
Uh,
So let's do this today.
uh, Pranavi will be 10 minutes late
No
today.
issue. She can cover. She already know because this is just revision yet. Okay, and list is also, let's see, in couple of things, if you can see something in nested lists, that will be better actually. So, did you check this, both of you, this notebook, list notebook that day after my teaching?
Yes, sir.
Or I'll be honest with you, after your teaching, I had to do school homework. I was back from school and then I was doing a little bit of school homework.
But it's already 3-4 days gap now. You didn't get chance to work on this yet, revise this one yet.
Which one are you talking about, sir,
I'm
exactly?
talking of Python list.
List, I think I know, sir, like taking input as a list and that one.
Yeah, yeah, indexing, backward indexing,
Sure, yeah.
forward indexing,
Sure, yeah, that one.
slicing.
Yeah, I think I'm good with that, I guess.
Great. So that day we covered up to what? Yeah. Extend, I remember. Like extend, I taught. Append, extend. Yeah, see, I was telling you we need to learn all this. We have converted to set here. This one is covered.
I'm actually not in my home right now.
So this is to remove one element from the list. You can see here is our list and we are removing O from this. If when we write the index of O here 0, 1, 2, so O is deleted.
Yeah.
If you want to delete multiple element, write my list like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one will be gone. This will be gone, all these letters. So you'll have M, P and M, sorry. And if you want to delete entire list from memory, you don't want to keep this, then you can just write delete. So this is applicable for any variable actually. This one delete any variable name. Now coming to see, after deletion, it's trying to print the my list. It is telling there is no my list defined. This is the same thing, same practicing. Like here it is one list is created, list one. And if you print the list, you get all the elements. If you want to delete the second element, like it's element at the index 2, then it will be deleted. C will be deleted. So you will get A and B. Now coming to the remove and pop. So these two method we can use to remove an item from the given, but I wanted to cover nested list. Let me see. Yeah, quickly let us cover this also. So here, if you remove and give the some element name, it will remove that one. So it is removing P here from this, and so from problem it became problem. And if you give the index likewise, mylist.pop and index.
Sir, nested list in the sense like a list in a list, right?
Yeah, that I'll cover. I want to cover that today.
And what does this pop thing do?
Pop is just remove an element. Both are used for same. If you don't give anything in the pop, if you don't give index of the element, it will by default it will delete the last one. You can
Okay.
see the example here.
Yeah, yeah.
This is my list. This is my list, RBLEM. And when we write pop, last one it will delete. But if you give the index, then that element will be deleted. If you want to clear, you want to make empty list. Suppose that you have created a list, and after doing some operation, you want to make clear, and then again you want to keep on appending. Sometime you can do this in nested loop, okay? So you can use mylist.clear.
So, like, what do you want me to like? What should I do exactly after the class? So, like, what all assignment should I do today?
I'll give you. Let me cover the nested list. I'm thinking to give some nested list exam.
Okay.
And sir also highlighted some questions in the.
Yeah. Apart from that ones.
Yeah. Here, this is another way. Are you looking at Randeep here or not?
Yes, sir. I'm looking.
Then how you're deviating?
Not deviating, sir. I have monitors on the left hand here.
No, you're asking questions in the middle. You should focus what we are discussing now. So this
No,
is another way of deleting the list. Like if you want to put, suppose that from this to this element, you want to put empty, means you want to make empty. So this is another way of doing it. Like actually it will just delete O from 2 to 1, that 3 minus 1. So this will delete that one. Okay. Likewise here 2 to minus 2 means it will start from 2 here 0, 1, 2, 2 minus 2. So this is minus 1, minus 2. So BLE will be minus 2, minus 1. So BL will be gone from here. So this is another way. Let's forget its deletion is okay. Like we are having 4 ways to
sir, I don't
delete some
understand
element.
that. The one you showed below.
One is remove. You give the element name and remove. It will delete. Pop and index number. It will also delete. Or just like write pop, it will delete the last element. If you assign, like see, using slicing operator, we are assigning empty list there. So that will also delete 2 to 2 means like let me make it 2 to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will go up to 2 to 4 here. These three elements will be gone. Let us check this. See, three elements are gone, right? OBL are gone. So this is another way of deleting. Same thing it is done here. You started to sleep.
No, sir. Nothing.
So
No,
here
sir.
are the couple of functions. Just hold. Okay. So here are some other functions. Okay.
Yes.
If you these are some Boolean functions actually looks like. Okay. Especially the all, any, sorted. Minimum will give you minimum. Maximum will give you the maximum. Len you know already. Compare means if you want to compare two lists are same or not, then you can compare. And if list is another function, like if you take any sequence, maybe a set, dictionary, tuple, any other sequence data type, if you want to convert it to the list, that you can use list. Like here I have shown you, right? If you want to convert a list into set, you should write set. Remember here, see. So likewise, suppose that this C, I'll run this one. This is X is what? Set. Can you see this? X is what?
Set.
Set. Because this is in the
Because it removes the duplicate.
remove the duplicate and it is in the curly bracket. See, if I write something list of X, so what will happen? X is set here, but it will become list here. See, it is converted to the list. So these are some basic functions we should be aware of. Here we'll see the example. So it will check. It is kind of, it will give you true or false. All and any and sorted. These three will give you true or false. Let's see. So it will check print all. This is a list L means all are true. Means you know this non negative non-zero numbers are true. So all are true. So it will tell you because this is true. This is true. All elements are true or true. So then final result will be true. If you you create some new list 0 to false, 0 and false. If you check all L, it will be false because one of the if any one element is false, it will tell you it is false. Any one element should not, all elements should be true. See. Likewise, here 0, 0 means false. So one element is false, then it is false. This one element is false, it is false. Empty element, it will be empty at table. So it's all L, it's not false actually. It is considered it's a special case, it is true. Any means at least, all means all true, any means anyone should be true. Anyone should be true means all element can be 0, but at least one should be true or non-zero. So here more than one are 0, right? So it will be true. Here this is 0, this is a false, so both became false.
Yes, sir.
How it is saying any, it means something it is missing. Zero, it is converting it. How is that possible? Yeah, this any. None of them are true. Yes, correct. None of them are true, so this is false. Correct. In this one is true, then correct.
So how does this work, sir? So if one is false,
It will check for, it will see internally. If I'll ask you to write this code using loop, that will be a good question for you. These two questions. These two questions I'll give you here. Eventually, one of them I have given you, but I'll give you again. Implement. But you don't know function yet, right? Just you have to write initialize a list using a list, just another list of number and check whether all elements are true. This is a very simple question. If you can do this, we can do just implement same in the.
so I don't understand the question for this one, sir.
Just
Like
now I
element as
explained
in
you, then you are not focusing what I'm telling you. Same thing. This is, in all function, what will happen?
If anyone is false, then it shows the value is false.
Correct.
no, but
In
when
all means if all are true, then it will return true. In any means anyone will be false, it will be anyone will be true, it will return true. I typed here, right? You have list of number.
no, sir, but
If any one element is true, then it will return true.
yeah, but how are we giving the input?
Just initialize a list like this, put some list like this
Okay.
randomly.
And
Put some list
Where are we going to
I
write
think
the
he's
and
correct
asking for the
one?
syntax.
and check each of the element whether it is true or false.
so we have to
One
give
after.
if element is greater than something, then it's true, something like that.
No, I told you how you can say true or false.
If the number is greater than 0, then it's true.
If the
Okay.
number is true or non-zero. What is non-zero? 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, 3, but not 0. That's all. We have covered this thing multiple times.
Okay,
So
okay.
this thing you need to implement.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Hi, Pranava, how are you?
I'm so sorry for
No
joining late,
problem.
sir. First of
Then
all.
was true or non-zero, then it is true.
Sir? He was typing. Sir?
No, I was just explaining here.
Yes, sir.
So where we are. I thought you are not here, so let me cover some which I didn't cover earlier. I wanted to give them some extra knowledge so that they can speed up, catch you.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
sir.
you got new laptop, what?
I mean, I got it from Costco, sir. We're gonna return this.
Oh, it's not doesn't good.
It's not good. It's
Why?
it's from Acer and it's not working properly.
What is the
Acer.
problem?
Hmm?
What is the issue?
The issue, um, like the display and some, like the storage and display. It's like not like that good.
And I can see your camera is also having some different.
Yeah, the camera is like blur.
This is so weird.
The
It's
camera looks
okay.
like it's not a natural thing. It's applying some extra
Like this is doing something.
effect.
I don't know what's
Well,
happening.
that is zoom setting, sir.
Oh, okay, okay.
Wait, what?
Oh,
That's a zoom setting. It does like automatic touch-ups to your thing.
That's
yeah, I
not.
can see
I
that.
will just
Man,
like turn off my
Randeep.
video for today.
No, it's okay. I'm not watching you, and nobody will see you. Don't worry. You can switch on. I will just minimize it. Okay. You got the. Did you understand again? Should I repeat for you, Randeep?
no, sir.
Please
Understood.
focus here. Or
I am focusing, sir. I am focusing.
all are three non-zero. It means it is two. So it will. You have to walk through each of the element. You need to check whether it is either it is. If it is zero or false, then this condition will be false. If all are non-zero or true, then this will be true. And this you need to implement. Then you can learn. Here it will check whether your elements are sorted or not. If it is they are sorted means it is in increasing order. Always this is not sorted. First one is not sorted. Okay, this will sort the list actually. It is sorting the list. Okay, sorry. So this sorted actually we use list dot sort, right? Sort is also working the similar way. If you want to sort a list, then it will give you the sorted order. Like see, we call the ASCII code something you can say. It is a smaller than this one. Its ASCII code will be something like 97. Internally, it will consider like 97, 101. Like this, it will consider internally. Because internally it will consider its ASCII code. So based on their ASCII code, it will arrange this A, E, I, O, U. If you want to put just comma and reverse equal to true, then it will give you the list in the reverse order. Minimum of list you know, maximum of list also you know. But here it is just trick. If you want to combine this string and integer, it doesn't work. Eventually in C it can work, but here it doesn't work. Length you already know. Blue I taught you that day. Yeah, some of these are also again here. Extend, append and extend I told you. Insert if you want to put some element at the some given index, you can put inside. Remove I already covered. Pop is covered. Clear is covered. Index is important. If you want to take some element at given index that, so either you can, suppose I'll create some list like this, 2, 1.
Sir, I
And
have a question.
1 second, let me cover. So if I'll write here x2 means you can say that x at index 2. X at index 2. Same thing I can write here. X dot index. 1 second. It is what? Index. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Index will search this is important actually. An element. Search an element and find an index. Both will work as the similar way. Search an element from the list and gives its index. So it will search at what index this 2 is lying. So if I want to search 11, where it is lying, so 2. But suppose that I'll give 15, which is not there. It should give value error. It's not found. 15 is not in the list. Okay, yeah. Now you tell me, Randeep.
Sir, like on the top, can you scroll down a bit? Yeah, this image I cannot see when I open Jupyter, sir. It doesn't show this. It shows like a small square and a question mark in it.
This is not. There will be some problem. We'll check that. Yeah, Jania, go ahead. We'll check on your laptop. There would be some issue.
Just
Sir,
okay.
oh, sorry,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah, tell
Oh,
me.
okay,
Go.
go ahead, go ahead. Sorry, sorry.
If we're finding the index number, what if there are like two numbers that are equal, like 2 and 2, like how it is in the list?
No, actually, it is checking where if it is element is there, it will give you the index of that element.
But if two elements are the
It will.
same,
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then it should give the first one, I guess. Let's see. See, 2 is there. It has given. If you want to do, let us do one more thing here. So a start and a stop. See, it is starting from the 0. Suppose that you have given some, here I have 5 element. I want to start searching from here. So that you can do. You can see the, what, here you can see from this. Now, if you are start to learn this, you can understand. I don't know why it's not working. It is telling from here you want to start searching. By default, it is starting from 0, right? But if I want to start searching from here, then I'll give something like this. A start equal to 3.
okay. Yes, sir.
1 second, hold. I'm missing one element here. I want to search 11 starting from 3. Okay. It doesn't take this one like this. You got it? Like I want to search from the middle of the list. I want to search from, suppose that last one, -5. Let us try the, or maybe -2. Let us try negative element.
Is
It's not work. Oh, it works.
So -2, it is taking from, it will work. 11, it is searching from -2. We need to put something different and see. -5. So that it is -5. Oh. Minus index would also work actually, right? Starting from -2. Or it is taking 0, it seems. It will start from 0, it seems. Okay. Okay, I'll look into this once. Like how negative it is treating is not clear here.
yes.
See if I'll give some -2, -4. This is some treating something differently eventually. Okay, let us take only one. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'll take from here, then here only it is. Okay, let us create some simple ABCD one. Y equal to this. Index of U, and I'll just repeat again this one. So this one is correct, 0, 1, 2. Now I want to search from here. So index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, 5, 4. So now see the element. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Searching
6, 7. So it is not searching this one, instead it is searching the second one. So you can give from where you want to start the searching. Did this answer, Janya, your question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so by
But with the
default,
numbers, it's confusing a little.
no, you can use same number also. If you don't give anything here, it will give you the index of the first element, because it will start searching from here, and whatever the first element it will give you the index of that. Okay, see,
Mm.
index of this one it has given. But if I'll write some number here, means this is nothing but the start. From where it should start, okay? Searching. It should start from the searching from here, right?
Yes, sir.
So from here onwards, if it will find some element, then it will give you the index. Eventually, you can implement the function of like index also. Then you can, this kind of thing, if you do, then you can learn. But coding
So
needs to practice.
the class is about to end in like 10 minutes. Should I send the Zoom link?
No, I will do this. Actually, I can send again. That's nothing. It's not a stopping to send me multiple times, then it's fine.
Okay.
And get the index of an element appearing at the last in the string, in the list. Let me see you, tell you what it is happening. Suppose that I have some list like this, okay? So if I need to get the index of 2, then what would you do the index? So the last element appearing the last. So I have two here, right? Twice it appeared, right? Let me put here. So when you start to go through this list, you need to check this one. If you find, you ignore it. But somehow you need to track the index of this one, some temporary variable. Then you go here. When you find another one, then you update the temporary index variable. Then you go over. If you find again, the last one, when it finds, then you need to get the index of that one. Like it should be, answer should be 7 for this. Did you understand the question, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, Randeep, what did you understand in this question?
Initialize a list of numbers and get the index of an element appearing at the last in the list. So, sir, what this question is asking,
Input element, let me write. Index of an input element. Index of input element. Here, I want to get the index of something too, right?
yeah, and you want to start from the 7th element.
No, I don't want to start, and this is slightly different what I explained you there. You need to apply some logic.
No, but it's
Initialize it,
get the index of 2 starting from 7, right?
right? You need to implement index kind of functionality using
So,
you.
sir, what I understood was when there's a list and the list is there and the user gives input, like the user can give the
Correct.
list as an input also.
Yeah.
But the user is also giving what to find, and then we have to find the index of the element.
Yes, but that suppose that it appeared multiple time, right? So I don't want the index of this one. I don't want the element of this one, but suppose that this element can appear multiple times, right? Which
Okay.
one is the appear at the very last? Okay, that index I want.
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, it can be done in two ways, different ways, but any one logic you can apply and come on this. So that, and Jania, that day you're telling you want to practice, you need to learn array. So all this question, if you learn, then this is yours. You can understand you are doing array only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you should solve all the questions, whatever you see here.
I
Okay.
actually solved the question 5, and then the next one, I think I struggled a little. But I'll try it again.
Actually, this one is very easy question, and the way you are going to implement this one, same logic will be applied. These are the very easy questions actually, but you need to practice this. You need to try it, then you'll learn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I guess now I should. Oh, sorry. Shall I switch to CCC questions? And just to inform three of you again, tomorrow will be holiday for me. I have some work. I need to shift my house tomorrow. So I will not be taking class tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, we have
So,
4
do you
minutes
need
here.
any help?
No, I
Yes.
don't need any help. Thank you. Thank you, Janya, or this Pranavi for asking. I don't think I need any help.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you need any help, just let us know, sir.
Oh, thank you. So kind of you.
It's okay, sir.
Ah,
Do
did,
you
did
live
you
close by?
did your mother and father taught you
Like,
from that
I
side?
think so, yeah, sir.
Ah, did you say this your own? That I'm really surprising. How can you apply this much brain?
Me?
Arey, how did you stop
The
this
way,
recording?